Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Saab key fob. And the only thing you need is your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032s, and you can get these on Amazon. They're inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description. And then also a flat tip screwdriver is helpful. Okay, so what you want to do is first remove this top part. And you can do that by pressing in on the Saab button, and that releases this key. Okay, so you pull that out. You can see there's a little mechanism in there. And then at this point, you take your screwdriver and put it right here. Little opening there, and that gives you access to your battery. Take the same screwdriver. You can just get this up. All right, there we go. And you can see this says positive side down. So take your new battery and positive side down. Give this a good squeeze back together. And put your key back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.